So I mentioned earlier on in the previous lesson that we have different types of ports. I said we have the first one being an access port. We'll see that very soon again. And then we have another one being the trunk port. Now, basically what a trunk port is that, so we have this belief that normally networks would span across multiple devices. So basically, if you look at the diagram here, we have a switch here, we have another switch here, we have another switch here. This is on the third floor. This is on the second floor in a building. So this is your building, and this is on the first floor in a building. Clearly, look at this. This is one switch. So think about this thing. Think about this thing as one switch. But this switch has VLAN 2, which is this color. So I mean, this switch has VLAN 2. That's what the diagram is trying to say. It has VLAN 3. And it has VLAN 4 for this same switch. So you can see that this switch has the 3 VLANs, 2, 3, and 4. The second switch also has the same information, VLAN 2, VLAN 3, and VLAN 4. And the third one also has the same information, which should tell you something. It should tell you that some of the people from this VLAN 2 or this particular network can be found on this device, and some of them can be found on this device. So how can they communicate? They can only communicate if you have some cable connecting to this switch and another cable connecting to this switch. That's how they'll be able to communicate. This cable is what we call the trunk link, because it's making sure that we can pass information that is supposed to go to another VLAN or go to a VLAN. So let's say this VLAN exists in this bus. So if some of the VLAN or members are in a different device, the trunk link is more like the highway that would help you get into those spaces by the help of what we call the trunk port. So the trunk link is just the link, but the trunk port is the port that creates the trunk link.